Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing CapCut tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your video quality to 4K and 120 FPS step by step. You'll learn how to improve your video quality, make your footage sharper and smoother, and use the right settings to get a high quality 4K 120 FPS result. The apps used in this video are uploaded on my Telegram channel, link in the description. So make sure to watch the video until the end so you can easily enhance your video quality on your mobile. Let's get started.
Preview.